Alrighty then, this is a video about something that I put together using basically a pile of things I got off of eBay. Probably what I'll do is I'll just put the descriptions and the prices at the end of the video instead of putting it over the in the subtitles or whatever. So what we have is a light. This is you could use it as a flashlight. I don't know, Worklight, anything. I don't know. It's just something I threw together. So to start out with, what we have is a handle that's used for holding a camera. It's right here. It has a standard 1/4-20 bolt here and a standard 1/4-20 at the bottom, so you could put it on a tripod. I opened it up. There's a couple screws inside here, and I installed a 3-position a dual pole triple throw switch. Sender is off, and also I made a mounting plate on the bottom here. Drilled and tapped this for 1/4-20. Put some self-tapping screws in here that are countersunk, and the cob array I got off of eBay. It's very cheap. This is a natural light, 5500 Kelvin light. The heatsink is probably way more than needed. It's this thing is supposed to put out 10 watts, 12 volts, although I found that what I did was I put it on a power supply and gave it some voltage and then monitored the voltage until it stabilized at 10 watts, either raising or lowering the voltage, and so that as it heated up I got a reading. And then I took this little buck converter, programmed that with the voltage, and then it's hooked up to this battery pack, which I've still got to figure out how to mount. And so currently down or middle is off, up is on, and you can see that's pretty bright. Don't know how long this would last. It draws between 600 and 800 milliamps, but it's extremely bright, and in a second here I will set this up and turn off the lights in my shop and then show you how well it lights things up. Okay, we're back. I'm going to shut off the lights in here, and as you can see there's very little light. This blue light is coming from a power supply I have for a cordless drill that I've converted to corded. So I'm going to turn on this light now. And it's pretty bright. I would say it puts out as much as say a 25 or maybe 40 watt light bulb. So anyways, that's my short little video on this flashlight I built.